His Excellency Madam Meera Malhotra, Mr. Sandeep Arya, Mrs. Shweta Singh, Mrs. Madhumita H. Bhagat and Madam Principal to proceed to the stage to light the lamp.
हंसवाहिनी शारदे वीणा विनोदिनी शारदे हंसवाहिनी शारदे वीणा विनोदिनी शारदे भावराग विनोदिनी भावराग विनोदिनी लयताल बोधिनी शारदे लयताल बोधिनी शारदे 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 हंसवाहिनी शारदे वीणा विनोदिनी शारदे वीणा विनोदिनी शारदे वीणा विनोदिनी शारदे.
Thank you, ma'am. That was Revati ma'am with her mellifluous voice. May I now request the august gathering to stand up for the national anthem of India to be followed by Russian Federation. Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up for the national anthem. Russian national anthem. Kindly be seated. May I request the august gathering to take seat and also the distinguished guests who have arrived. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Atithi Devo Bhava. Guest is God in the Indian tradition. We welcome our honorable guests on this occasion. Another great occasion when we assemble to celebrate the annual day of Embassy of India School, Moscow. This year's annual day coincides with the Golden Jubilee celebrations of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, New Delhi, which runs more than 1,000 schools in India and abroad. May I take this opportunity to invite our respected Madam Principal, Mrs. Deepika Karnani, to deliver the welcome address and present a brief report on the activities of the school. Madam, please.
Namaskar, Dobraya din, good afternoon, distinguished gathering. I extend a warm and hearty welcome to each one of you. It is an honor to stand before all of you to present a report on the activities of Embassy of India School, Moscow on the annual day, which is all the more special this year as Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is celebrating its golden jubilee. The school, which started functioning with 96 students in 1987, has 357 students today with an ever-increasing demand for fresh admissions every year. His Excellency Shri Ajay Malhotra ji, Ambassador of India to the Russian Federation, is the patron of the school, and the Deputy Chief of Mission, Shri Sandeep Arya, is the Chairman of the School Management Committee. A group of 18 committed faculty members, headed by the principal, is deputed by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan to ensure the smooth functioning of the school. It also has faculty members of international standing and students from countries like Russia, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Pakistan, apart from Indian students. The school has a record of producing outstanding results in the both classes, 10th and 12th every year. In CBSE Board Examination 2013, it also excelled in both 10th and 12th class with 100% result, and performance index, that is the quality result, for 12th class 81.56 and for 10th class 92.61. The students who pass out from the school join professional courses in different prestigious universities in India and abroad like Oxford and Cambridge. To facilitate the healthy competitions and cooperation among students, the entire school is divided into 3 houses, and inter-house competition like skit, group song, drawing and painting, quiz and declamation are conducted. As many as 225 prizes in primary and 215 prizes in secondary classes were given away to the students in this academic year. Inter-school exchange program with different schools in and around Moscow are held regularly. The school also provides opportunity for the students to take part in various activities organized by social organizations in Moscow. The students of school presented Indian traditional games and Hindu wedding at Ethno-Meet Global Educational Village around 100 km away from Moscow. A number of inter-house competitions were conducted in various disciplines, and annual sports day of the school was conducted at PFU. With Shri Ajay Malhotra, Ambassador of India to Russian Federation as the chief guest, the event was widely appreciated by all. Inter-school matches in football and throw-ball were played with school number 661. Class magazines were published for the 3rd time in a row. This project gives the children ample scope to showcase their literary talents. The selected articles from these are published in the school magazine. Literary activities like calligraphy, storytelling in Hindi and English, French and Russian are conducted regularly. Career counseling session for students of class 9 to 12 by Mrs. Lyubo, Russian Programmer Coordinator, Technion International School, Israel was conducted to familiarize them with the options available to pursue higher studies. Mr. Petro and Mrs. Marina from Future Education conducted a one-day seminar on student support scheme for the teachers. Educational trip to notable places of educational and entertainment values in Moscow were arranged to various different places for different classes. Students of all the classes were taken to Kremlin, where a flower carpet of 6,50,000 flowers was arranged. The students of the school present various programs on Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti in Embassy of India. Other important days like Teachers Day, Hindi Pakhwada and Children Day are celebrated in school. 14 students of the school have been qualified for the second level of Unified Cyber Olympiad 2013. The students of schools were also exposed to Maths Olympiad, Green Olympiad and Tara Mandal International Level Science Talent Search Examination. Mr. Joga Baisa Boy, India's acclaimed mountain climber, gave a motivational speech to our students. They were also lucky to have Padma Shri Dr. Madhu as the guest for Hindi month celebration. Parent-teacher meetings are held regularly for the overall development of the students' personality. School Management Committee, chaired by Shri Sandeep Arya, DCM Embassy of India, Moscow, and comprising of 10 members, including the principal as a member secretary, is responsible for taking all the policy decisions pertaining to the school. I have been extremely lucky to have a very cooperative management committee under the guidance of such a supportive chairman. Let me take this opportunity to thank the chairman and each member of SMC for the wholehearted support on all the occasions. I take this opportunity to express my special thanks to His Excellency Shri Ajay Malhotra, Ambassador of India to the Russian Federation and the patron of the school, and Mrs. Ira Malhotra. We have been extremely lucky to have your august presence on all our special events and occasions. As you depart, we are bound to miss the warmth of your love and affection. We wish you both the very best for the rest of your life. Thank you for your all wishes and blessing, sir and madam. The cooperation of parents, various NGOs and different schools in Moscow with whom we have inter-school exchange program has been instrumental in the all-over development of and the enhancement of the curricular and co-curricular standards of the school. I thank each one of them. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 years of my association with the school is coming to an end. 2 major events, the Silver Jubilee celebration of the school in the previous year and the Golden Jubilee of KVS this year, along with a host of other activities, have given me and the entire school fraternity a chance to celebrate, cherish and rededicate ourselves to the service of the society. In the pursuit for excellence, the institution is served by many. Names and faces may change, but the institution is one of the highest priority. I conclude with 2 lines from Alfred Lord Tennyson's poem, The Brook, where the brook, which stands for eternity, says, men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. अंत में मैं पुनः आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करती हूँ। जय हिंद।
Thank you, madam. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have a few prizes to be given away to the winners in curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. May I request Madam Ira Malhotra to come to the stage and do the honors of giving away the prizes to the winners in various categories. May I request Madam Principal to accompany her to the stage. Friends, put your hands together to welcome this elegant lady, Mrs. Ira Malhotra, President IWA, who is on the stage to give away the prizes to the winners. May I request Madam Principal to offer her flowery welcome. Welcome, Madam. Madam, we do have awards in various categories. First, let's begin with the core activity of the school, that is the academics. The academic prize winners. First, the KVS Merit Awards, classes 10 and 12. We begin with class 12. Yatharth Rana topped the 2013 board exams for class 12 with 95.4 marks and was in the KVS merit list of class 12. He receives memento, trophy and cash award worth rupees 5,000, which will be dispatched to him as he is at present pursuing his education in India. In comes Swaraj Dash, 95.2. 95.4 was the first prize winner. 95.2. KVS merit list of class 12, memento, trophy and cash award worth rupees 2,570. And the recipient Sister Swati Dash. Suraj Dash, sister, at present studying in class 11, Swati Dash. Swati has now a task on her hands. I am sure Swati's mother will receive it next time when she reaches class 12. Swati, you will have to do so. Class 10. 6 students of class 10 in the previous year did a Nadia community, achieved a perfect 10. They are C.R. Ramanuja Deshikan, Gaurav Bhattan, Pradeep Kumar, Matthew Kurian, Sachit Rose and Vikrant Singh Kharab. First, may I request the proud mother of C.R. Ramanuja Deshikan, Mrs. K.S. Usha, to receive KVS Merit List of Class 10, memento, trophy and cash award worth rupees 500. Mrs. K.S. Usha, the proud mother of C.R. Ramanuja Deshikan, who is pursuing education in India at present. Our proud asset in class 11, Gaurav Bhattan. Gaurav Bhattan, you are welcome. You will find him on several occasions after this too, today on the stage. He also did a perfect 10. Memento, trophy, cash award worth rupees 2,570. Well done, Gaurav. Another proud parent, Mr. S. Kumar, receiving cash award, memento, trophy, on behalf of his son K. Pradeep Kumar, who also did the 10 perfect one. Mr. S. Kumar receiving memento, trophy, cash award worth rupees 2,570. Another proud recipient of this award is Sachit Rose. This boy also you will find later on coming back to the stage repeatedly. Memento, trophy, cash award worth rupees 2,570 rubles. Sachit Rose, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for these winners. Of course, we have 2 more gentlemen in the category who are not with us today because they are pursuing their education in India. One is Matthew Kurian, who is also in the KVS Merit List of Class 10, and Vikrant Singh Kharab, also in the KVS Merit List of Class 10 for achieving perfect 10 as I suggested. Now we move on to the co-curricular activities. The school is divided into 3 houses and various co-curricular activities are conducted throughout the year, in which we compete very ferociously, win or lose. Here we have only the winners, but mind you, my dear friends, there are a number of them who have lost out very graciously. But for the year, best class, in 3 categories we do have, classes 1 to 4, 5 to 8 and 9 to 12, 3 categories. Criteria for judging each of the category. First criteria is class magazine. Assessment of best maintained class, which is a monthly exercise. Class display board, again a monthly exercise, and morning assembly performance. Under these 4 areas, people were judged from classes 1 to 4. Out of 400, we got the winners with 87% marks, not one class. But of course, classes 1 and 2, the tiniest thoughts and the senior friends of both the classes, may I welcome the class teachers of class 1 and 2, co-class teachers, Mrs. Shashi Sharma, co-class teacher, Mrs. Revati R, class teacher, class 2, Mrs. KP Suma, co-class teacher, Mrs. Loretta, and the monitors. Proud recipients, please put your hands together. These tiny tots have worked round the year to ensure that best maintained class, the best class are these 2. Classes 1 and 2. What a way to show the seniors partners how to be the best. The next category from classes 5 to 8. In class 5 to 8, of course, the only distinctive winner with 83.7% in marks, class 5, the lowest bottom class. Class teacher Mrs. Nagavasavi, co-class teacher Ms. Maria, and the monitors receiving the trophy from Madam Ira Malhotra. Class 5, put your hands together. For classes 9 to 12, that is the senior secondary classes, class 9 the winners with 77.8% marks. The class teacher, Mrs. Usha Kumari, co-class teacher, Dr. Naham, and the monitors to receive the trophy. These are the senior secondary students coming on to receive the trophy from Madam Ira Malhotra. Now, in the co-curricular activities for the year, we do have the best house for primary and the best house for secondary. The best house for primary, Ganga House with 216 points. The housemaster, Mrs. Shashi Sharma, Mrs. Nagavasavi, along with the house captains, vice captains to receive the trophy. May I request Mrs. Revati R, the primary CCA in charge, also to join the festivity. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Encourage these primary people who have won the best house trophy for this year. Congratulations, winners. Best house secondary. Again, Ganga House, this time, jackpot winners. 138 points. Housemaster, Mr. S.P. Singh, Mr. Mahendra Kaldra, Mrs. Usha Kumari, house captains, vice captains, cultural secretaries, Mr. Manoharan T.R., who is the secondary CCA in charge, and Mr. Rajendran to join the festivity to receive the trophy. Congratulations all the winners. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much indeed. After the prize presentation, we cannot wait for the tiny tots to come forward and perform. May I invite on the stage my co-hosts who will take you through the cultural extravaganza in connection with this annual day. I keep it a surprise who come here because they wanted me to keep it a surprise. They also have a few surprises for you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome them on the stage. Put your hands together. Welcome these young friends.
Okay, everything's clear. You can come on the stage. Did you have to wear heels for this mission?
Ну ты же знаешь, красота самое главное.
I know beauty is important, but this is an irresponsible attitude.
Ну извини.
Oh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the annual day celebration and also the golden jubilee of the KVS Sangathan. A round of applause for this.
Добрый вечер, дамы и господа! Мы рады вас приветствовать на ежегодном празднике нашей школы. И мы сегодня не только отмечаем ежегодный праздник нашей школы, но и золотой юбилей KVS Sangathana.
We are secret agents. What is the problem if they find out?
Это же секрет, зачем ты всем рассказываешь?
Oh, so the point of the word secret and secret agents means that it's a secret, so nobody can know the secret.
Да.
Oh, okay. Then I guess it's fine. Oh, yes, I'm Sachin.
А я Марьям.
And we are here to guide you through today's program.
И сегодня мы ведущие этой программы.
Well, today is such a special occasion. And of course, for such a special occasion, we have several special programs prepared for you.
Сегодня очень важный день, и поэтому у нас самая классная программа для вас сегодня.
So fasten your seatbelts because you are in for the ride of a lifetime.
Будьте готовы, дамы и господа.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we will be taking you to the cultural programs.
हमारे वार्षिक दिन में आपका स्वागत है.
I think our disguise is very good. Nobody has understood that we are from Secret Service. Okay, if we are from the Secret Service, why did you hit me?
मतलब ये बात गुप्त रहनी चाहिए.
Oh, okay, I understand the meaning of secret. We should keep everything secret. But don't forget to get the secret file before this program ends. Anyways, let's move on to the first program. Any auspicious program begins with invocation to Almighty.
भारतीय संस्कार के मुताबिक हर कार्यक्रम को पूजा से शुरू करते हैं. तो हमें भी इस कार्यक्रम को पूजा से शुरू करनी चाहिए, है ना?
Yes, Sagarika. We begin today's cultural item with Saraswati Vandana. let me welcome Lakshmi Raghunath of Embassy of India School, Moscow with Saraswati Vandana.
प्रस्तुत है सरस्वती वंदना लक्ष्मी रघुनाथ के द्वारा।
शांभवी चंद्रमौली शांभवी चंद्रमौली अमलावर्ण उमा पार्वती
शांभवी चंद्रमौली अमला अपर्ण उमा पार्वती
काली हैमवती शिवा त्रिनयनी कात्यायनी भैरवी
काली हैमवती शिवा त्रिनयनी कात्यायनी भैरवी
शांभवी चंद्रमौली अमलावर्ण उमा पार्वती काली हैमवती शिवा त्रिनयनी कात्यायनी भैरवी कात्यायनी भैरवी सानिध सगनि सानिध नि सगना सग सानिध बनि सानिध पग ग पद नि धनि पद नि सग पग ग सानि सानिध पग सनि धनि ग सनि ध ग सानिध पद सग पद नि सा अम्बा मोहिनी देवता त्रिभुवनी आनंद सदायिनी अम्बा मोहिनी देवता त्रिभुवनी आनंद सदायिनी वाणी पल्लव वाणी वेणु मुरली गान प्रिय आनंद सदायिनी वाणी पल्लव वाणी वेणु मुरली गान प्रिय नोलिनी वीणा वेणु विनोद मंडित करा वीणा वेणु विनोद मंडित करा वीरासन संस्थित वीणा वेणु विनोद मंडित कर वीरासन संस्थित चित्रूपी पर देवता भगवती श्रीराजराजेश्वरी चित्रूपी पर देवता भगवती राजराजेश्वरी सहिता चित्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीराजराजेश्वरी श्रीराजराजेश्वरी श्रीराजराजेश्वरी
Well, what a divine performance. Thank you so much.
Это было